Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the hybrid battery air filter in Lexus UX 250h. It is located underneath the rear seat. In this area you will see this cover. There is one screw that needs to be removed and the filter itself is located right here. You will need to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. And then you can use the trim removal tool to pry open the cover. And this is the filter. To remove the filter you will have to start from this side, remove it off this hook, and it will come off from the other two as well. This is how this one looks. There is some debris in here and some dust. So in this case you can use the vacuum cleaner to clean it. If it's in a really bad state, I would replace it completely. They're pretty cheap, you can get them online. And in general you should check the condition of this filter regularly, because if it's clean, this will prolong the life of your hybrid battery. To install it, first start from the two hooks and then the one in the front. Reinstall the cover. And put in the bolt. That's it, the replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.